phone service has now been restored. Thank you for your patience. We can now start taking calls.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. This message has been transmitted to Federal Bureau of Investigation. The person is seen shooting the intruder. The person is identified as any name, any race, any age, any feet tall, any pounds, any hair color, and any eye color, any gender, was last seen wearing any clothing. The person who opened fire at the intruder will be praised as a hero. Thank you all for your cooperation.